How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another food review. Today I'm going to be reviewing some orange jelly, and it's unbranded. I think there was a brand who made it, but I can't remember what it said on the packaging. So I'm going to be eating with a spoon today, a little teaspoon, stainless steel. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Here's the lid. That's the expiration date and some kind of numbers. There's some jelly on the thing. I'll lick that later. So here's what it looks like inside. It's a nice little pattern on the outside. Nice to the touch. You know, I can hold it comfortably for extended periods of time. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some on my spoon. Oh, that's a big bit. I'm gonna take a bite. Tastes like orange, but it's kind of like salty. If that makes sense. Tastes like if you've ever had Diarrhea Light. Kind of tastes like that. Like the saltiness of it. But you know, it tastes like orange. It's got a pretty good flavour to it. Like orange juice, and you chew it. Yeah, it's really nice. So I would rate this one probably like a 6 out of 10, because you know it's not the best. I've had better jelly before, but I've had better orange jelly before. You know, it's still nice. Tastes really nice. So that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll do more jelly reviews in the future. Maybe some more yogurt reviews. So yeah, thank you for watching. It's been real. Bye bye.
Like,